It's 11:40 on a Tuesday night, and Jem is standing at her kitchen counter in a hospital badge she forgot to take off, eating cereal out of a coffee mug because the bowls are in the dishwasher. She's 41. Open behind her search bar is a tab from 3 hours ago where she was pricing a water heater. She types average 401k balance by age, reads the number for her bracket, and sets the phone face down without finishing the cereal. Trevor is also 41, 2 exits down the same highway. He read the identical number that morning, felt a small, quiet flush of competence, and went out to go price a grill. Same number. Opposite Tuesdays. Here's what neither of them knows. That number isn't describing Jem. It isn't describing Trevor. It isn't describing you. It's describing somebody who does not exist. My name is Nick, and today we're going to do the thing the retirement industry publishes every single year and then very carefully never explains. Let's start with the real data, because I'm not going to tell you a number is misleading and then refuse to show it to you. Vanguard puts out a report every year called How America Saves, built on about 4.6 million actual accounts. It's the closest thing this country has to an honest scoreboard. The 2026 edition just landed, and the headline is $167,970. All-time record. One page later in the same report on the same accounts is the median, $44,115, nearly 4 times apart. Same data. And Vanguard doesn't hide this. They print it right there. The average corresponds to roughly the 75th percentile, which means when you compare yourself to the average 401k balance, you are measuring yourself against the top quarter of everyone who has a 401k at all. I want to give this person a name because he's going to keep showing up. Let's call him the Phantom Saver. He's the guy the headline is actually about. He's not the middle of America, he's not the typical worker, and he's not real. He's an arithmetic artifact created by taking a small number of very large accounts and smearing them evenly across everybody else. And every year, millions of people compare their real life to him and conclude that they are behind. While we're here, keep an eye out for one more thing. Somewhere in your 401k right now is a number you almost certainly did not choose. Someone else picked it on your behalf, probably during your first week on the job. We'll get to who. It matters more than your balance does. So let's walk the ages. And to keep this clean, I'm only giving you the median at each stage. Because the median is the actual middle, half above, half below. A real person stands there. Under 25, $2,234. 25 to 34, $18,732. 35 to 44, which is Jem and Trevor's bracket, $46,919. 45 to 54, $78,730. 55 to 64, the last stop before people actually start retiring, $107,269. And then 65 and up, where it drops to $103,000. It goes down. That's not an error. That's people who stopped adding and started spending. You fill a bucket for 40 years and the bucket does not get to stay full. Now here's the Phantom Saver standing next to every one of those numbers. Under 25, he's got 7,000 instead of 2. At 35 to 44, he's got 120,000 against Jem's 47. At 55 to 64, he's got 305,000 against a real person's 107. He is roughly 3 times richer than the median American at every single age, and he's the one who gets quoted in the article. One more from that report and it reframes everything. 1 in 4 participants has less than $10,000, only 18% have more than $250,000. So let's do the only conversion that actually matters, and let's do it once so we're all using the same unit for the rest of this video. A balance is not money. A balance is a promise about future money, and the exchange rate is worse than you think. Take that 55 to 64 median, $107,000, and hand it to a 65-year-old man to buy guaranteed lifetime income. Right now, that buys about $670 a month. $670, 30 years of payroll deferrals converts into roughly a car payment, and to be clear, not a nice car. So from here on, whenever I say a balance, I'm going to tell you what it pays monthly because that's the number you'll actually be living inside of. And here's what that math looks like from the inside. It looks like a 58-year-old man who has become weirdly interested in what his coworkers' retirement dates are. It looks like Jem doing the thing where she opens the water heater tab and closes it again, twice, and then goes to bed. Now, the reason